Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a lens I got from Amazon. It's been a little while since I have done a video, but basically I'm exploring more wide field astrophotography nowadays, and that's what led me, I should say, to get this lens. And so let's go ahead and open up the box and then I'll show you what I got here. Just came today. That's my parrot in the background. Our family parrot, I should say. Okay, so I ordered some stuff with the lens. Let's see. I ordered an introvolometer, which is basically a programmable shutter release device here. And this one is for the camera I own, which is the Canon T6, as you can see here. So let's see what's inside here. So this is a look at it's called the TM series multifunction timer remote controller multifunction introvolometer for Canon cameras, and this one's specifically designed for SLR cameras, and more specifically the Canon T6, which is what I have. So here's show some of the features on the side here. And this is pretty cool because it comes with, so this is what it looks like here. It's pretty robust looking. So this is the actual mechanism here. Get a little close in so you can see that. Looks pretty easy to use. So I'll put that there. Let's see. It comes with instructions. Here's the instruction booklet here. I'll put that right there. And then it comes with batteries. That's really cool. So it was highly recommended. It was an Amazon choice, almost 5-star introvolometer. So that's everything that came with this right here. And it just simply, let's see here, it just simply plugs in to the side of the camera like so. And now you have something that can do control the T6 or the camera here, and do programming for astrophotography. Wide field astrophotography is what I'm exploring more nowadays. So that goes along with that. And so I'm pretty excited about learning how to use this. I'm trying to simplify things too. I was using this manual one before, where you just sort of click it up, and if you do that, you just click off and it'll stop the shutter speed, or you can just do a one-click thing and it'll just take a quick picture for you. So I'm going from basically this to this programmable introvolometer. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. So that is that. Okay, we packed it very well. That's the one thing about Amazon, they always pack everything really well. So much appreciated there. Let's see, put that over there. And let's see, what else I got? I got a lens hood designed to go over the lens that I got, which is a Canon 50mm f1.8. It got raving reviews all over the place. So I was pretty happy about that. But this is what I got here. It's a lens hood. And let's see if I can make some room up in front here. So looks like this one was designed to go with the lens I got. So this is the lens hood here. I'll just put that right on top, like so. Alright. And the focus of the order is this lens. So let me take it out of the main box and just sort of put it right here. And I'm really excited about this lens. It, from the videos I saw, it looks like it captures some really great detail. I have this T6 I have is a crop sensor, so I guess it takes it from a 50 to an 80 millimeter situation, but it's still the shutter, or the aperture I should say, is still f.18. So that's a light gathering machine right there. So let's go ahead and open this and let's look at this lens. It got really good reviews. It wasn't that much money. I mean, compared to some of these other lenses, the price was very reasonable. Alright, packaging, really good. Alright, and oh, it also came with, it was like a kit type of order, so I got this lens, primary lens cleaner, which is right here. Let's see. And this is the lens itself. It's from Canon, and it's designed to go right onto the T6 here. And here's a closer look here at the lens itself. It's an EF 50mm f1.8 STM type lens, and let's take a closer look at that. Alright, so this came with some things too. It came with a UV filter. I guess it's supposed to keep out certain 49mm UV filter. It came with that, but I guess that's if you're taking shots during the day. Instruction booklet right here. Put that like that. And let's look at the lens itself. I'm really excited about this lens. I did lots of research that led me to getting this particular lens. Alright, well packaged, definitely. It feels very, feels very strong, well built. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so here's the lens right here.
Oh, wow.
That was my son in the background there. Say hi, Ben.
Why?
Anyways, so this is the lens itself, and it comes with a protective hood, or I guess a protective front part. There's our family parrot again. And it's got this part back here, so it protects the lens. So this is let's see, the Canon EF 50mm f1.8 STM lens for Canon SLR cameras. So let's see how it fits onto the T6 here. Let me do this first. This is how you focus it right up in front here. And other than that, it's just a straight 50mm lens. It's not like the kit lens that goes from 18mm to 55mm. This is the focus. It's f1.8, which is the aperture. And then you're in business. Alright, so it should just go right on to the camera with, just like any other lens. Let's see. Alright. It clicks right into place. And if you want to take it off, like so. There's 2 red dots here. You just line up the red dots and then just turn it until you hear it click into place. And here it is on the T6. I'm really excited about trying this. So it's got 2 modes, automatic focus and manual focus. For deep space, I'll do manual focus. And then of course when it's not in use, we'll put the lens cover on it just to protect it, and there it is. So thanks for joining me today. I'm really excited about the next clear moonless night, so I can give this baby a whirl and see what kind of images I get. So thanks again for joining me. I really appreciate it, and clear skies as always, guys. Take care.